disappeared. This one, some of it is still intact. A lot of this being observed. Roof gone. Roof disappeared. That was, so I guess a lot of the thing from this, a lot of the roofing from here ended up on top of this light pole here, wrapped around. And another house over there, roof was gone again. Light pole broken, concrete light pole broken. One of the pump. That is the situation, but this was no more. Maybe I'll look for cook shop or something. To see place. So this church has got this it's all over the place. So there you go. Top side. South out that vibe right now. Another one beside it. Most of the roof totally destroyed. This is Southfield Extension here office. Roof destroyed. Top Hill, St. Elizabeth. Bethel Gospel Chapel, founded in 1960. Well, I've got some refurbishing soon. More roof. Easy with this people. Easy with this people. So this is the Treasure Beach police station. So this is the front part. I don't know what around the back look like. It has lost some of its roofing. Well, there's a building around the back here still that, you know, some of the sheeting of things are lifted, so I don't know the situation. What is it? Sandybank Infant School. Well, not the infant school itself, but a building beside. No roof. Absolutely zero roofing. Another one. Cladding on that one gone. Got the roof on this one gone. So flooding. Yes. Destruction here. Roof. You see the furniture is still inside. No roof. Roof here. There's an art gallery of sorts. What should I build? It's good. No roof. It's real. Building to the right, no roof. Buildings over here, no roof. Gone. Mommy. Gone. Easy. But so where did you find it, sir? Go right over. Mountainside Premier suffered some damage. Yeah, the roof. Go on, man. My hand's blowing for my neck, brother.
That's how they rate, man. I'm gonna get another stick.